Okay, this video is going to show you how to use the built-in camera in Windows 10 to take a picture. To begin with, I need to find my camera app, so what I'm going to do is press the Windows button and begin typing the word camera to look for it. And before I finish typing, it found it. It's highlighted already too, so I'm just going to hit the return key to select it. So now there it is. There's the camera app, and you can see what I'm taking a picture of. Right-hand side, the big white dot, click that, take a picture. Just took one. Lower right-hand corner, you can see there it is. There's my camera roll, as in a roll of film that no one uses anymore, but that's all right. I'll click on that, the image in the lower right-hand corner, and I can see the image. This is what it's going to look like. And then in the upper left-hand corner, it says See All Photos. So I can see all the photos that I've taken, which in this case is one. All right, so let's see where this is located. So when I need it, I can go find it. So I'm going to minimize this window here. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that window as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this PC and click on Pictures from this PC. And it's something called the camera roll, as in a roll of film that we used to use a long time ago. And there's the picture. So now I know where it is. I can rename it, or I can go grab it when I need it.